Directly. So, do you guys know the expression, English expression, scratch your own itch? It means you are solving a problem you are having. This for us as an accelerator becomes interesting when a lot more people experience the same problem. So the next team up built a transfer file service to transfer large files. They opened their application up to the audience, and 50,000 people tried it in the past 6 months. Let me introduce to you Hector, CEO of Takeafile from Spain.
To the top of the slide, we'll stop and turn and go for a ride. Till I get to the bottom and I see you again. Yeah.
Hi, hello. My name is Hector. I'm the founder of Takeafile, and I'm going to show you a brand new way to send your files. A new way that is 10 times faster, that has no size limitation, and that is absolutely confidential. Let's get started. Every single minute, 10 million files are shared on the internet, with an annual growth of 15%. But moreover, only in Europe, 76 million users are using the cloud to transfer files. And among them, 8 million are paying for this. Pretty big market, right? But how will you do it? How will you send the video of your last holidays to a friend? Well, there is a very popular method for this, but maybe you get surprised, because it's this one. Yeah, the USB stick. Only in Europe, more than 150 million users are using USB sticks and DVDs to transfer files. In year 2017, I think we can agree there must be a better way, especially if the receiver is far away. You won't believe me, but there are many companies using a delivery man to bring the USB to the client. A delivery man just like this. Well, USB instead of a pizza, but you get the point. This is the market shouting at us that they need a better way. Of course, there is another option. Of course, you can use the cloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, WeTransfer. They all work the same. They all use the cloud. But using the cloud has fundamental problems. The first problem is that the cloud is slow. Using the cloud to transfer your files is unnecessarily slow. The second problem is size limitation, of course, because it costs money to these platforms to store your files. And the third problem is confidentiality. Your images, your videos are stored somewhere out of your control. So who has access? Who's watching? Are you complying with the terms of use? Maybe this is not a critical problem to some of you. But let me tell you that only in Europe, 68 million users do not trust the cloud. 32 million don't even know how to use it. And also think of professionals. We are a global company. So think of all video editors in the world. Think of all architects. Think of all designers, marketing agencies, CAD specialists, lawyers, etc. Time is priceless. But for these professionals, time has a price, an expensive one. And they don't want to waste it waiting for the files to be sent or be received. And this is why we created Takeafile, to solve all these problems. Takeafile is a platform to transfer files directly between devices without using the cloud, using the shortest path. And this new approach has great advantages. Like, for example, we are 10 times faster than our competitors. We are 100% confidential because we are not storing your files. We don't have size limitation. The only limit is your hard drive. And also, we are very easy to use because you don't have to install anything, not an application, not a plugin. It works with a browser. And now let's see Takeafile in action. This is how fast we are compared to Dropbox in this case. This is a real-time experiment. We are sending 100 megabyte file. And the good thing is that you can visit us at takeafile.com and you can try it for yourselves right now. Not right now, just wait until I finish, but Takeafile is done in 20 minutes. For Dropbox, more than 3 minutes left. If you don't mind, let's keep moving on the presentation, right? Another advantage is that we don't need a backend, so we scale at no cost. What does this mean? Well, for example, for WeTransfer, they would have to invest money on their backend in order to scale the number of users. And for us, guess what? Well, we scale at no cost. And speaking of scalability, more than 5,000 users from more than 170 countries have already tried our platform. Currently, we have 400 users each day. And these numbers are exponentially growing. This proves that we are solving a recurring problem to a growing number of people. Now let me talk to you very briefly about our business model. We are offering a premium version of Takeafile to those professionals that, among other things, has a desktop application at a very nice price of €6 per user per month. We are a team of PhDs that has plenty of experience in the corporate world, but also in the entrepreneur world. Actually, we've been working together as a team for more than 4 years. We started back in 2012, and since then, we have founded 3 companies. The first 2 companies have been a pretty success, and now we are working very hard for the third one, Takeafile, to become the next big thing. Next month, we are opening an investment round of €150,000 in case you want to join our team. In 6 months from now, all your friends are going to be talking about us. But remember that you attended the very first pitch of Takeafile. Visit us at takeafile.com. Thanks for your attention.